Rasta pasta. Here's some of the ingredients you will need. We got some bell peppers, red and yellow, green onions, the jerk seasoning. This is the hard thing to find, so find this before you get anything else. I got mine at Kroger's, but not all Kroger's sell those. Minced garlic, mozzarella, Parmesan, heavy whipping cream, and Penne noodles. Along with that, we're going to be adding these seasonings to it: accent, paprika, garlic, onion powder, and some parsley. All right, I have 6 cleaned and skinned thighs in here. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of this jerk chicken seasoning. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to scoop it and put in video. All right, so that's 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. Add in a little bit of the accent. And then onion powder. Season it to your likings. Garlic powder. And paprika. Now, if you want anything else in there, by all means, add it in. I'm going to mix this up and come right back. Oh, I forgot one more thing, the parsley. Add in some parsley, and now I'm going to mix it up. So while I'm mixing this, I'm going to have my skillet heating up on 3, and then I'll spray my pan down before I place my chicken in the skillet. All right, my skillet is sprayed. I'm going to start adding in my chicken breast. And let those cook, and while those are cooking, I'm going to cut up my bell peppers. But first, washing these hands. All right, my chicken has been cooking for maybe like 5 or 6 minutes on one side. I turned it over, and then I'm gonna let it cook on the other side. My peppers are sliced up, but I'm gonna let this cook for a few more minutes. And then we'll take those out, let those rest, and add in the peppers next. All right, I'm getting ready to take my chicken out, place it on the plate so it can rest for a moment. I have my water heating up for the pasta, and then we'll put in the bell peppers in this same pan. All right, in this pan, I'm going to add in a half a stick of butter, along with the bell peppers. All right, I just added in a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. I'm gonna let this cook down. And while that's doing this job, I'm going to start dicing up these thighs. All right, I'm gonna throw in my pasta. That's the whole box. And in here, I'm gonna add in 2.5 cups of whipping cream. All right, 2.5 cups of whipping cream is in. I'm gonna add in the same things I did before. A little bit of parsley, the accent, onion powder, and garlic powder, along with 1 more tablespoon of that jerk seasoning. All right, let's stir this up and bring this to a little simmer. All right, we're gonna add in this whole bag of mozzarella cheese and stir that around. Let's check on these noodles real quick. Those are doing wonderful. Give those a few more minutes. But until then, we're almost done with this. Let this continue to melt, and then we'll add in the Parmesan next. All right, while that's cooking, I'm going to cut up my green onions. All right, let's go ahead and add in the other cheese, Parmesan cheese that is. That's the whole bag, 8 ounces. Let's add them to the party and mix that in. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I'm going to go get my pasta and add that in, and then add my chicken in, and then we're almost done. All right, we're adding our pasta. Yeah. Mix that in with the family. And then you know what else goes good with this? The chicken. Come on over here. That's all diced up and ready to go. So come on in and be friends with the rest of this meal. I'm gonna mix this up and I'll come right back. All right, here's the finished product. I'm going to top it off with the onions on top, and I'll show you. Oh, hold on. I made these garlics to go with it. All right, I'm gonna make my son's plate so y'all can see how it looks plated up. Ooh, cheesy, y'all. It's cheesy. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I've got the camera all over the place. My bad. All right, he said he wanted a lot, so there you go. I'm gonna top it off with some green onions and with a side of my homemade garlic bread. There you go. Thank you for coming and watching this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, y'all.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I get